Welcome to today's in-depth discussion on our channel, where we delve into a compelling aspect of modern travel, the choice between opting for hotels versus Airbnb accommodations. This topic has gained traction following a noticeable shift among travelers from Airbnb towards hotel stays, which has sparked curiosity and prompted many to seek clarity on the best options for both short and long-term travel. Airbnb benefits. Airbnb has revolutionized the travel industry by offering travelers the opportunity to stay in unique local accommodations that range from cozy apartments to extravagant villas and even unconventional options like treehouses and yachts. One of the most appealing aspects of Airbnb is the authentic experience it provides, allowing guests to live like locals. This can be especially beneficial for travelers looking to immerse themselves in the culture of their destination. Moreover, Airbnb accommodations often include amenities that cater to the practical needs of travelers, such as full kitchens, laundry facilities, and private living spaces. These features are ideal for families, groups, or those on extended stays who value the convenience of home comforts while on the road. The platform's flexible booking options also allow for more personalized travel plans, accommodating everything from spontaneous weekend getaways to planned long-term stays. Airbnb's diverse location offerings mean that guests can choose to stay in neighborhoods that might not be served by traditional hotels, providing a broader range of price points and cultural experiences. The personal touch of interacting directly with hosts can add a layer of enrichment to the travel experience, offering local tips and insights that are not typically available through conventional hotel services. Hotel benefits. Conversely, hotels provide a consistent and reliable accommodation option with standardized services that appeal to those who prefer knowing exactly what to expect when they check in. Hotels excel in offering convenience and ease, with 24/7 customer service, on-site restaurants, daily housekeeping, and other amenities such as secure parking, concierge services, and in-house fitness centers and spas. For business travelers, hotels often provide essential amenities like business centers, meeting rooms, and high-speed internet access, which are crucial for productivity on the road. Safety and security are also paramount in hotels, with features like card-controlled access, safes in rooms, and security personnel, providing peace of mind for travelers. Long-term hotel stays. Long-term stays in hotels are becoming increasingly popular, not just for the traditional business traveler but also for digital nomads, retirees, and even families who find the hotel lifestyle convenient and cost-effective. Hotels offer transparent pricing, which can be more economical than Airbnb when considering the long-term benefits of loyalty programs and the absence of hidden costs such as cleaning fees and service charges. Staying long-term in hotels allows guests to build status within hotel loyalty programs quickly, leading to significant savings and perks such as room upgrades, free meals, and access to exclusive lounges. These programs are designed to reward frequent travelers, making extended stays in hotels an attractive option financially. Elite status and strategic hotel choices. Achieving elite status with hotel chains can transform the travel experience. Elite benefits often include complimentary breakfasts, room upgrades, early check-in and late check-out, and access to executive lounges, all of which enhance the comfort and value of hotel stays. Choosing to stay within a specific hotel network can maximize these benefits, especially when planned strategically according to travel destinations. For instance, in regions like Southeast Asia, where luxury can be affordable, travelers can enjoy 5-star accommodations at a fraction of the cost compared to similar properties in the West. This region also offers excellent redemption values for points, which can significantly reduce the cost of travel. In more remote or unusual destinations, selecting hotel chains with extensive global networks ensures that travelers can find quality accommodations almost anywhere they go. This consistency is crucial for those who travel frequently and value a certain standard of lodging, combining comfort with cultural experience. Whether opting for the unique and varied offerings of Airbnb or the reliable luxury of hotel stays, modern travelers have diverse options that cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Each choice offers distinct benefits that can significantly enhance the travel experience, whether through the charm and authenticity of a local apartment or the indulgent comfort of a high-end hotel suite. As you consider your next travel accommodations, think about what aspects of the travel experience are most important to you, be it the charm of local living offered by Airbnb or the dependable luxury and convenience of hotels. Keep exploring both options as they evolve to better meet the needs of all kinds of travelers. Thanks for joining today's discussion on choosing between hotels and Airbnb for your travel needs. If you found this comparison insightful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more detailed travel guides and accommodation reviews. Like, comment, and share to keep the travel community thriving, and let us know in the comments your preferred type of accommodation and why. Tune into our next video for more tips and tricks to enhance your travel experiences. Safe travels and stay adventurous.